Okay, today's hints and tips. Try and do it again in one take. You know, when you've got quick release levers that are seized or seized on or on too tight and you can't get your finger in to get the purchase, let me show you the really easy way to fix it. So what you'll need is a ring spanner, and all you do when you're trying to force one of these and it won't budge, just hook that over, get it to the point where it's not going to bend the lever, and then just apply a little bit of force and the lever will open. Very simple. I'll show you again. You just use the ring spanner. It's really difficult getting close. And then just push in this direction with your hand, and the lever will come open. It's also completely damage free, so on some alloy quick releases it can sometimes be really difficult to do it, and you can bend the lever, whereas using it this way, getting it as close to the spindle as possible, you're just applying with the lever more even torque onto the lever, so it's less likely to bend. That's the trick. Hopefully this has helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel and click that notification bell so that you see our videos as they come out. We're always doing hints and tips, and we have our daily diary, which is well worth subscribing to because you get to see behind the scenes at CycleRecycle. Hope this has helped. Thanks ever so much for watching.